Stock investing is a way to grow your wealth over time by purchasing shares of companies. When you buy a stock, you essentially own a small piece of that company. As the company grows and becomes more valuable, so does your investment. It's a dynamic and exciting way to participate in the economy, and it can be incredibly rewarding. The key is to start with a solid understanding of what you're investing in and why. Stick around and we'll guide you through the essentials. Investing in stocks offers the potential for higher returns compared to other investment options. Historically, stocks have outperformed other types of investments like bonds or savings accounts. By investing in stocks, you can take advantage of the growth of some of the world's most successful companies. Additionally, stocks provide liquidity, meaning you can buy and sell them relatively easily compared to other investments. This flexibility allows you to manage your portfolio according to your financial goals and market conditions. Getting started with stock investing can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account. This is where you'll buy and sell stocks. Next, do your research. Look into different companies and industries to find stocks that align with your investment goals. It's important to diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. Don't put all your money into one stock. Instead, invest in a variety of stocks across different sectors. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Be patient and stay informed. In conclusion, stock investing can be a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving your financial goals. By understanding the basics, knowing why you're investing, and learning how to get started, you're well on your way to becoming a successful investor. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today and start your investment journey. Happy investing!